After several months of anticipation, the COVID vaccine has finally arrived. With cases rising all across the world, the people are waiting for relief. With more information on the vaccines, here's reporter Ileana Tangarova.
The vaccines have people on the edge of their seats, listening to the experts and waiting for the right moment to take them. The COVID vaccines were officially announced in November. There are two vaccines, the Pfizer vaccine and the Moderna vaccine. The Pfizer vaccine was created by BioNTech and Pfizer and was proven 95% effective. The Moderna vaccine was created by Moderna, which was proven 94.1% effective. Both vaccines require 2 doses. Each needs to be 14 days after the first shot. The phases of those allowed to take the vaccines, according to the Texas guidelines, are split up into 3 categories, 1A, 1B, and 1C. The people in Phase 1A, which are the frontline healthcare workers and the long-term care personnel, and 1B, who are the people 65 and older and those who have one chronic medical condition, are allowed to receive the vaccines. The vaccines are vital to those who work in areas where the virus is prominent. Mr. Martinez, husband of CPHS math teacher Mrs. Martinez and medical professional who received the Moderna vaccine, speaks about why he took it.
While it wasn't mandatory at work, I felt it was very important to get the vaccine to stay safe for myself, my family, and my patients.
It's important to know how the vaccines work. These COVID vaccines produce new white blood cells, mRNA, that fight and attach to the cells that have already been infected in the body. This creates a pattern for other non-infected white blood cells to go and fight the newer infected cells. Doctors are urging people to take the vaccine in order to save those who are at risk.
It will have 2 very important effects. First, it will protect you, and second, it will give people a sense of freedom, right? That they have something that they can use to fight the infection that will make them a little bit happier. It gives people hope.
Though there's been a positive reaction to the vaccines, there are also many who are suspicious of what's inside. Doctors urge people to trust their advice and to do what they think is best, to save others and take the vaccines. Multiple studies from the CDC and clinical trials have shown how the vaccines work. It's up to the people to decide whether they will trust the vaccines or not.
The studies were actually pretty rigorous. If people trust what the vaccine does, that's all it takes.
The vaccines have been proven to work on mostly everyone, but there is still much testing to be done. Testing trials for teenagers under 18 are beginning to emerge. The vaccine is something that will change the course of the virus, and it's up to the people to decide whether or not to take it to save those who haven't yet been infected. Once the vaccines become more widely distributed, we will hopefully see the number of cases go down.
Thanks, Ileana.
We will keep you updated on when vaccines for teenagers become available in our area.
I'm looking forward to getting mine.
Me too.